Hello from the Sheraton Puerto Rico here in San Juan, Puerto Rico. We're going to give you a tour of our room real quick. We actually stayed here one night before our cruise with Norwegian Viva from San Juan, Puerto Rico, and this was the perfect location to stay if you're cruising out of San Juan, particularly out of the Pan American Port. That's where we are actually going to be cruising from. So let me show you our room. Our room is 1042. The elevator is right down there and to the left, so not far at all. And then as soon as you come in, we have the bathroom, which has this barn slider door, which is popular in a lot of Sheratons if you're familiar with the Walt Disney World Dolphin. And then of course, the backlit vanity. We have the complimentary hairdryer down there, extra toilet paper. There are some toiletries that are provided, like lotion, there is hand soap, and of course a shower cap. Then we have the toilet, and then a tub shower. So we're not fans of tub showers. They could definitely update that, but it did the job. In here we have a wardrobe, which is nice if you are staying longer than one night. You can unpack, put all of your things away in here. There's hangers, ironing board, safe, some drawers. So it's a nice large safe, so you can fit a full-size laptop in there. Drawers, very deep drawers, which is nice. So yeah, you can definitely unpack. I'm sure they have more hangers if you need them. And then we head into the bedroom. So we have a king-size bed. Again, excuse the mess, this is checkout day. USB plugs over here. There's 2 USBs and 2 standard electric plugs. Lots of options for power, whether USB or 110 throughout the room, so you don't have to worry about that. Yeah, okay, so these worked because Jared uses them.
Both USBs and at least one, if not both, of the 110 outlets.
But then over here behind the television, so you have this. This one did not work for me. I don't know if there was a switch I needed to turn on, but I plugged in a bunch of things to charge and it did not work, either the power or the USB. But yeah, mine was over here and this one worked and I used that one.
There is a light switch.
Okay, so that's probably what we needed to do, was power on the light switch. Yes, very fancy uplighting. We love uplighting.
Might have powered that out too, I don't know.
Yeah, it's fine. There's plenty of other outlets. We actually took advantage of room service last night. Full-size mirror here, hello. Over here we have a flat screen TV and a nice bench if you want to set your suitcase up here. We used it for shoes. You can actually put your suitcase underneath there as well. And I believe, no underbed storage, so that kind of stinks, but you can put it under there. And we have this little workstation here with an instant coffee maker, ice bucket, and a fridge. Not a very big fridge, so our fridge at the Marriott was a lot bigger. We fit a full-size bottle of wine in there. We have a nice chair here. There is no sofa, so there's no sleeper sofa in our room, but again, we have a king-size bed, so that might change the configuration. And then the view we have is the parking lot. We've got San Juan over there. This is the Convention Center District, the T-Mobile District. I know this is a very popular area. You can see the weather's a little overcast today. It is raining a bit. More parking over here. There were some tanker ships out here. Our cruise ship is actually on the other side. But you can see the mountains out there, so you can see the rainforest. We actually went there yesterday, and I'll link that video below.
Yeah, that should be El Yunque all the way out there, straight out there.
Straight out here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Old San Juan's behind us.
Oh, Old San Juan's behind us, but this is San Juan, right?
Well, San Juan's a large area.
Yeah, but this is like downtown San Juan.
Yeah, I mean, we're right in the middle of it, so San Juan's both in front of us and behind us.
Okay.
I mean, it's such a large area.
That's true, you're right.
But Old San Juan is actually behind us.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. And AC is quiet. Like, that's another thing. Like, you don't ever really think about it until you're in a hotel room. But at night, especially if you're a light sleeper, like some AC systems are really loud. This one was quiet.
Yeah, no, it
I
definitely
did notice that that thing flashed all night long, but so did our fire detection,
Yes.
smoke alarm or whatever, I guess.
Yes, I saw that as well.
The one in the Marriott did the exact same thing.
Which is fine.
Yeah, it's not a big deal. But
Yeah.
Yeah, if you're super sensitive to like light and sounds and for sleep, I would agree.
Eye mask.
Eye mask.
Yes, for sure.
But yeah.
Great stay.
Yeah.
So that's our room here at the Sheraton Puerto Rico. We had a very nice stay. The bed was super comfortable and it was just the perfect spot for a one-night stay before a cruise. We had an excellent breakfast downstairs at Choices. Fantastic. We didn't do the buffet, we did a la carte, but it was very, very good. So if you're looking for somewhere to stay prior to your cruise that's close to the Pan American Pier, port, whatever you want to call it, this is the spot for you. And thanks for traveling with us. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hello from the Sheraton Puerto Rico. Okay.
Poor shit.
Take two.